Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin rewards users for working by giving them Sweatcoins, that is a form of digital currency. But cashing out Sweatcoin directly for real money is not a built-in feature of the application. However, there are few indirect ways to use or cash out your Sweatcoins for value. Here's how you can maximize and redeem them. First one is use Sweatcoin for rewards. Simply open a Sweatcoin application on a mobile phone and navigate to the Marketplace tab. Here, you can browse for available offers and select the one that you would like to redeem with your Sweatcoins. For example, this is 10% off on Ring Air by Ultrahuman. Click on this and you will need 5 Sweatcoins for this reward. You can simply click on buy this reward using your Sweatcoins if you'll have enough. I don't have it, so it says earn more Sweatcoins. You will need 5 Sweatcoins to enter. The second way to do this is Sweatcoin for PayPal or cash rewards. Occasionally, Sweatcoin offers special deals where users can exchange a large number of Sweatcoins for PayPal credit or cash. These offers are rare and can require a significant number of Sweatcoins, for example, 20,000 Sweatcoins for 1,000 PayPal cash. Now, go to the app marketplace section and look for PayPal or cash related deals under the high value section. Now, if you don't need to cash out, you can donate your Sweatcoins to charity. Sweatcoin partners with various charitable organizations, allowing users to contribute their earnings toward different causes. To donate, you can navigate to Marketplace and click on Donate button. Now look for charity offers and select the one you would like to contribute to. Fourth way to do this is Sweatcoin Influencer Program that allows you to invite others to join the platform, and you can earn Sweatcoins when people join using a referral link. If you reach a certain threshold, Sweatcoin offers cash rewards or other high value items. To join, tap on this icon at the bottom right of the screen, click on Friends, scroll down and copy this code, then you can invite anyone using this code. Now the fifth way to do this is convert Sweatcoin to crypto through Sweat Wallet. Sweatcoin introduced a new cryptocurrency called Sweat, which can be generated through their new Sweat Wallet. This is a separate app linked to your Sweatcoin account. You can hold, trade, or convert Sweat tokens into other cryptocurrencies, which can be cashed out through a crypto exchange. So, in order to do this, open Play Store on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in Sweat Wallet. Now, install this application that says Sweat Wallet, and you can use this application to cash out your Sweatcoins as a crypto. Then you can convert that crypto into cash. While there isn't a direct cash out feature in Sweatcoin, you can still get value by redeeming rewards, joining the influencer program, or converting to Sweat cryptocurrency. Keep an eye on the marketplace for PayPal or cash out offers that may appear occasionally. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.